Can irresistible chicken salad be both easy to make and healthy? Hello friends, this is Heather the Fed Up Foodie, and this Mediterranean chicken salad is wonderful as a sandwich or wrap, enjoyed with crackers, and is a great meal prep option. For a light and flavorful twist away from mayo, whisk together olive oil, red wine vinegar, garlic, and salt. One of my favorite recipes to use for all kinds of chicken meals is my all-purpose boneless, skinless chicken breasts. The recipe can be made in the air fryer or oven and turns out tender, juicy, and flavorful. One of the easiest ways to shred chicken breast is to use your stand mixer. Not only is it so much faster, shredding the chicken this way saves your hands from the pain and agony of hand shredding. Just make sure to use low speed, otherwise you will have flying chicken pieces all over your kitchen. Once shredded, add to the vinaigrette and stir well. The onion, sun-dried tomatoes, and fresh herbs brings in a fresh and flavorful Mediterranean flair to the salad. The artichoke hearts, chickpeas, and cucumbers pack in fiber and nutrients. And to be completely honest, the feta and olives are just really stinking delicious. Within the recipe post, I share several fun variations for this recipe and a bunch of ways to enjoy this healthy chicken salad. For more recipes like this and for weekly inspiration, make sure to head on over to thefedupfoodie.com and sign up for my newsletter where I share recipes and tips in helping to make cooking from scratch approachable.